Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, I will tell you how to do the sums of exercise 5.4. Students, these are the division sums, and for division, you must know the multiply tables. Yes students, here I am going to start. Let's study. Yes students, here first sum is solve the following. Firstly, I will tell you B part. Yes, how to do B part. See here everyone, how to do these sums. Yes, exercise 5.4. Firstly, B part. Yes, what is the statement of B part? That is 72 divided by 4. Here we have to write the table of 4. In the rough work, we will write the table of 4. Yes, 4 zeros the 0, 4 ones the 4, 4 twos the 8, 4 threes the 12, 4 fours the 16, 4 fives the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 sevens the 28, 4 eights the 32, 4 nines the 36. Up to 9 only we will write the table. Yes, now here see how to do division. Like this we will write. Firstly, only one digit we will write. Yes, because here we have to divide with 4. So here we will write 4. 4 is only one digit. So here we will write firstly one digit. 72 में से हम सिर्फ one digit लिखेंगे पहले. Now firstly 7 will be divided by 4. Now see the table of 4 कि हम 7 के नीचे क्या लिख सकते हैं. जो 7 से small है that we can write. Yes, this we can write. Yes, this also we can write under 7. Here we cannot write this under 7 क्योंकि 7 के नीचे हमने जो भी लिखना है वो 7 से small लिखना है because we have to do subtraction. So here 8 we cannot write. Here we got no. One step from here, that is 4. We will write 4. Yes, here 4 twos the 4 ones the. Here we will write 4 ones the 4. Yes, now 7 minus 4 we will get here 3. Now next digit is 2. Next digit is 2. So here we will write here 2. Now it has become 32. Now it has become 32. Now we will see the table of 4. Here we can get 32. Yes, here is 4 eights the 32. 4 eights the 32. So here students what we will write? 4 eights the 32. Yes, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. So here what we will do? We will write the answer now. 72 divided by 4 we got 18. This is our answer. Like this we will do the sum. Yes, now let's move to part D. How to do D part. 128. Here you can see 3 digits are there. 128 divided by 2. Yes students, see how to do this sum. 128 divided by 2. Yes, 128. Yes, now table of 2. We will write 2 zeros the 0, 2 ones the 2, 2 twos the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 fours the 8, 2 fives the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 sevens the 14, 2 eights the 16, 2 nines the 18. Up to 9 only we will write. Yes, now here you can see there are the 3 digits. Firstly we will write only 1. Yes, only we will write 1. Now here 1. Now we will see the table of 2. Yes, when we saw the table of 2 तो हमें पता चला we can write only 0. Here we can write only 0 under 1. 1 के नीचे हम सिर्फ 0 लिख सकते हैं because 2 we cannot write. So here we will write 0. 2 zeros the 0. Yes, now 1 minus 0 here will be 1. Now next digit, next is 2. We will write here 2 and we will take it downside. 1 or 2 milke this has become 12. Now it has become 12. Now see the table of 2. We will get 12 there. Yes, 2 6 the 12. Here is 2 6 the 12. So here what we will write? 2 6 the 12. Yes, now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Yes, now here one more digit is there. We will write that. Yes, we will bring it downside. Here these zeros we will ignore because no number starts with 0. These we will ignore. Only 8 is with us. Now only 8 is with us. Yes, now again we will see the table of 2. When we have seen the table of 2, we got 8 here. It is 2 4s the 8. So here what we will do? 2 4s the 8. Yes, now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 8 0. Now here you can see 128, and here also we have completed 128. Now here we will draw ending line. Yes, so here this 0 again we will ignore. Now what is our answer? It is 64. 128 divided by 2, we will get 64. Yes friends, like this we will do the sums. Now I will tell you E part. Statement is 260 divided by 2. Yes, here again we need the table of 2. Already we have written there. Yes, now see how to do division. We will write like this. Yes, only 2 we will write because here are 3 digits. Only 2 we will write here, and we will divide it by 2. Yes, now when we see the table of 2, we got here 2. 2 ones the 2. So here what we will do? 2 ones the 2. Yes, 2 minus 2 0 is there. Yes, 2 minus 2 0 will be there. Now next digit is 6. Next is 6. Here we will write 6. This 0 we will ignore. Yes, here is 6. Again we will divide 6 by 2. We will see the table of 2. Here is 6. 2 3 is the 6. Yes, 2 3 is the 6. So here 2 3 is the 6. 6 minus 6 0 is there. 6 minus 6 0 is there. Now next digit is again 0. We will bring this 0 also down. Now here is 0. So here we will again see the table of 2. Here we can get 0. 2 zeros the 0. So what we will do? 2 zeros the 0. Yes, when we will subtract, we will get again 0. Now we will draw ending line because all the digits have come downside. Yes, now here answer is 130. 260 divided by 2, answer is 130. Yes, let's move to our next sum. What is that? F part. That is F part 642 divided by 2. Yes, 642 divided by 2. Here again we need the table of 2. We will write it again. Yes, table of 2. 2 zeros the 0, 2 ones the 2, 2 twos the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 fours the 8, 2 fives the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 sevens the 14, 2 8 the 16, 2 nines the 18. Yes, like this we will write the table of 2. Yes, now here 3 digits are there, but firstly we will write only 1. We will write only 6. Yes, now table of 2 and 6. Here we will see we got here 6. 2 3 the 6. Now here how we will write? 2 3 the 6. Now 6 minus 6 0 is there. Next digit is 4. We will write it, and we will write it downside. 0 4 0 we will ignore. Now only 4 is with us. Now we will see the table of 2. Here we can get 4. 2 2's the 4. Yes, now we will divide it. 2 2's the 4. 4 minus 4 0 we will get. Now next digit is 2. We will write it, and we will bring it downside here. Now this 0 we will ignore, and only 2 is with us. Again we will see the table of 2. In the table of 2 we will get 2. 2 ones the 2. Now what we will do? 2 ones the 2. Here we will write. Now 2 minus 2 we will get 0, and here you can see 6 4 2, and here we have written 6 4 2. Now our division is over, so we will draw ending line. Yes, now what is the answer that we get? 642 divided by 2, that is 321. That is 321. Yes, after that I will tell you H part. What is there in H part? Statement is 310 divided by 5. 310 divided by 5. Here we need to write the table of 5. Yes, table of 5. 5 zeros the 0, 5 ones the 5, 5 twos the 10, 5 threes the 15, 5 fours the 20, 5 fives the 25, 5 six the 30, 5 sevens the 35, 5 eights the 40, 5 nines the 45. Yes, like this we will write the table. Now we will start doing division. Yes, here only we will write firstly 3 and here 5. Now in the table of 5 we will find out 3. Yes, when we saw there is no 3, but here we can write 0 under 3. So here 5 zeros the 0. Yes, now 3 minus 0, 3 will be there. Next digit is 1. We will write here 1. Now here is 1. It has become 31. It has become 31. Now in the table of 5 we will see 31. Yes, here you can see 31 के नीचे हम 0 भी लिख सकते हैं. 5, this can also be written. This can also be written because 31 से छोटा नंबर हमने लिखना है उसके नीचे. This can also be written. This can also be written. This is 31 से ये भी small है. This is also, but 31 के नीचे हम ये नहीं लिख सकते. 31 के नीचे 35 नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होगी फिर. Yes, so no से पहले one step, that is 30. So here we will write 30. 5 6 the 30. So what we will write? 5 6 the 30. When we will do subtraction, 1 minus 0 1, 3 minus 3 0. This 0 we will ignore. Now we will see next digit, that is 0. This we will bring it downside. Now 0. Now you can see this has become 10. Now again we will see the table of 5. Is 10 is there? Yes, 5 twos the 10. So here what we will do? 5 twos the 10. Yes, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now which answer we got? 62. This 0 we will ignore. We got 62. Here we will write the answer. 310 divided by 5. Answer is 62. Yes, now see J part. Yes, how to do J part? What is the statement of J part? 608 divided by 8. Yes, 608 divided by 8. Yes, table of 8. 8 zeros the 0, 8 ones the 8, 8 twos the 16, 8 threes the 24, 8 fours the 32, 8 fives the 40, 8 six the 48, 8 sevens the 56, 8 eights the 64, 8 nines the 72. Like this we will write the table of 8. Now see how to do division here. Yes, firstly we will write only 6. We will divide it by 8 and we will write here only 6. Yes, now here you can see in the table of 8, here 0 can be written under 6. Yes, 8 cannot be written. No, because 6 के नीचे हमने 6 से small digit लिखना है. So here 8 cannot be written. So one step before that is 0. We will write 8 zeros the 0. When we will do subtraction we will get 6. Now next digit is 0. We will write here 0. Then now it has become 60. Now here in the table of 8, what can be written under 60? 60 के नीचे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 0 can be written, 8 भी लिखा जा सकता है. This can also be written, this can also be written, this can also be written because these are all are less than 60. ये 60 से सभी कम हैं. So these can be written under 60. But this cannot be written. Yes, 64 cannot be written. So one step before this is 56. So here we will write 56. 8 sevens the 56. Yes, when we will do subtraction, 60 minus 56. In the rough work you can do this subtraction. 60 में से हम जब 56 minus करेंगे, we will get 4. Here 10, 10 minus 6 4, and here left 5, 5 minus 5 0. Like this we will do subtraction. This subtraction also you can do in your rough work. So here we got 4, 0, 4. Now next digit is 8. We will write it and we will bring it downside and write with 4. Yes, now it has become 48. This 0 we will ignore. Now again we will see the table of 8. Is there any 48? Yes, we can see 48 is there. 6 8s the 48. Yes, so here 8 6 the 48. Yes, now 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 4 0. Here you can see all the digits have come downside. Now this will be our ending line. So here what answer we got? We got 608 divided by 8. The answer is 76. The answer is 76. Yes friends, hope all of you have understood these sums. Do the practice of these sums, because without practice you cannot know these sums. Yes friends, hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.